This is one of the modules that is going to be the hardest. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Also press the notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I post a video. In this video I will be talking to you guys about tips for pre-nursing students. The first tip is make sure that you know about the school that you plan to attend. For example, the tuition and whether the school is accredited. You want to get all the information that you need to know about the school before you go into that program or go into that school. What I will encourage you to do though is to read up about all the schools that offer the program that you want to do around your area. For example, if you're in Jamaica, read up about Northern Caribbean University, read up about UTech, read up about UWI, read up about different nursing programs in your area so that you know that you are going to the best one or the one that fits you. The next thing is read up on your anatomy and physiology. Now guys, this is one of the modules that is going to be the hardest. And I say that because anatomy and physiology, you will find out when you start nursing school, is that it's the basic or it's the foundation for most of the other modules that you will be doing. And so if you have a hard time with anatomy and physiology, you can find that the other modules will be a little harder for you. So what I will encourage you to do during this period when you're home, you can read up, get a book about anatomy and physiology and do a little reading. You have websites now that you can download free books from. You have people who you can reach out to get books as well. So read up on your anatomy and physiology. Also, do not base your concept of the profession about what you have watched on TV or what you have heard people in your community say, because I grew up thinking that nursing was all about cleaning poop or feeding patient. I did not know that nursing was a more in-depth profession. So read up on the profession, get every information that you can about it, from pay to the different areas, the different specialty, all that you can about nursing before you just jump into nursing thinking that it's a cool thing or whatnot. I realized that some people, they started nursing school and in one semester they realized that this wasn't for them, or once they go in the clinical area they realize that I really don't like blood. And if you don't like blood is something that you are going to deal with almost every day in nursing. So if you find out that you're not a person who like blood, then it is going to be a challenge for you. So read up on the profession before you go into it. The final one is ask questions, reach out to people. If you don't reach out to us, we will not know that you need the help. So reach out to get all the information that you want. If you realize that you want to go to a particular school, and if you know someone that already went to the school and gone through the program, reach out to that person and ask the questions that you need. Do not sit down and overthink. Reach out to people. People are there to help you. You just have to ask. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I hope that you find these tips helpful. You can reach out to me on Instagram at the Nurse Axis if you need additional information or if you just need more tips. Thank you so much and stay tuned for my next one. Bye.